Okay, so let's start solving some questions. Let's begin with the basics. Okay, let's see. See guys, you know that speed is equal to distance upon time, right? So time would be equal to distance upon speed. We can use this formula. Okay, anyway, first thing we know is that John jogs for 6 miles per hour and rides bike at, so speed is given. His goal is to jog and ride his bike for a total of at least 9 miles. So jogging plus biking, the total distance should be at least 9 or more. So this is correct. Less than is incorrect. This is 1, so this is incorrect. Should be greater than or equal, this is correct. Okay, and the total time should be no more than, or it should be less than or equal to 1. Should be less than or equal to 1. But time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is jogging, distance is j, and speed has been given as 6 miles per hour divided by j, distance divided by speed, j divided by 6, plus another time, biking, distance is b, divided by speed is 12 miles per hour. So 12 miles per hour. So that time should be less than equal to 1. It should be no more than 1. So A would be the correct answer. Okay, so let's move on to the next question, where we have to find the value of x and y, that is the solution. And you can find the solution by substitution, by elimination, whatever method that you like. Another way could be simply you can substitute the values and see which values of x and y satisfy both the equations, and that would be the answer. So okay, 4y is given as minus 2x, so minus 2x, 4y would be minus 2x minus 6, right? And here it would be, if you simplify this, 2 into 2, 4y plus 6 is equal to 3x minus 5. So here, from here you can calculate 4y would be equal to how much? 3x minus 11, right? And then you can simply equate equation 1 and 2. 4y is this much, and here 4y is this much. So minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 3x minus 11. So that would give you, this goes over here, 5x would be equal to 11 minus 6 is 5, and x is therefore 1. X is equal to 1. And just substitute the value of x in any of these equations, you'll get the value of y. So minus 2 into x is 1 is equal to 4y plus 6, or 4y would be equal to minus 2 minus 6, which is minus 8. So y would be equal to minus 8 by 2, minus 8 by 4, that is minus 2. So B would be the correct answer. Alternatively, you could have substituted the value of x and y. You could have worked through the answer choices also and verified which one would be the correct answer. Okay, now how many solutions does the given system of equations have? So remember those conditions, guys, 3 conditions. So here a1 is 6, a2 is 3, so a1 by a2 would be equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 1. b1 is 2, b2 is 1, so b1 by b2 would be equal to 2 is to 1, same. c1 by c2 would be similarly equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So here what do we have? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. What condition is this? This is condition when two lines are parallel, when there is no solution. When there is no solution, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Their coefficients are different. That means 0 solution. A would be the correct answer. A, B are constants if the system has infinite solution. What is the condition for infinite solution? All the points would be overlapping, so it would virtually be the same set of lines. So a1 by a2 would be equal to b1 by b2 would be equal to c1 by c2. Right, let's do this. So a1 by a2, 3 by minus 15 would be equal to minus 2 by b, minus 2 by b would be equal to a by minus 7. What are they asking? They are asking the value of a, right? So we can equate these two. We can equate first and third. So 3 by minus 15 would be equal to a by minus 7. Minus minus gets cancelled, and 3 5s are 15. So it would give you a is equal to 7 by 5. Simple. So a would be equal to 7 by 5. Here your understanding of coordinate geometry would come into picture. Remember, you remember the quantity called slope, right? Slope is written as m and is given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now if there are two lines having slope m1 and m2, if those lines are parallel, in that case their slopes would be same, because slope is nothing but inclination of line, right? So inclination would be same because they would have same theta, and slope is also tan theta. So in that case, if lines are parallel, then m1 is equal to m2 in case lines are parallel, and in case lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Remember these two conditions. If lines are parallel, then m1 is equal to m2. If lines are perpendicular, then m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Utilize this information, and for that is calculate the slope of this line, and then use m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. And in order to calculate the slope of this line, you can pick up any 2 points of your choice and then apply y2 minus y1 is equal to x2 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let's say we take these points, and what are these points? So this is 1 comma 2 3 4 5. This is 1 comma 5. Sorry, 1 2 3 4. 1 comma 4 this point is, and this point is 2 comma 1 2 2 comma 2. So y2 minus, let's call this point 1, this is called point 2. y2 minus y1 4 minus 2 upon x2 minus x1 1 minus 2 would give us the value of slope. So this is equal to 2 upon minus 1. So slope is minus 2. So let's call it m1, and m2 would be the perpendicular line. They're asking about the slope of perpendicular line. So that would be m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 we already know is minus 2 into m2 we need to find out is minus 1. So m2 would be 1 by 2. Slope of the perpendicular line should be 1 by 2, and all these equations are of form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope. So our perpendicular line should have slope 1 by 2. Let's see which line has. C does. 1 by 2x mx plus c. C is the correct answer.